Namaste children, I am Hari Prasad, your chemistry teacher. Children, today we are going to learn some of the very easy compounds which is very important for the board exam. So, this is the first compound. Children, what is the root word for this compound? Yes, two carbon atoms are there. So, it is what? Eth. What is the primary suffix? Between carbon and carbon we have a single bond, ane. Do we have a secondary suffix? That is functional group? No. Do we have a prefix? Yes. What is that? Chloro is attached to both the carbons, right? Then we all know what is the order for naming the organic compounds. Yes, you are right. Prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Now, prefix. To this carbon, one chloro is attached. To this carbon, one more chloro is attached. So, what I'll do is that altogether how many chloros? 2. So, I will number this as 1 and this as 2, or I'll number this as 1 and or this as 2. Anyway, it's okay. So, first carbon, chloro is attached, and to the second carbon, chloro is attached. So, I will write 1 comma 2. Then, how many chloro are there? 2. So, that's why di. Then, chloro, right? So, this is the prefix. Root word is what, children? Eth, single bond, ane. Is it clear, children? Children, we have done a small variation in the compound. Instead of chloro, we have replaced it with what? Bromo. When we replace the prefix from chloro to bromo, the name of the compound will be what, children? It's the same. 1 comma 2 what? Instead of, right? Chloro, we have what? Bromo. That is 1 comma 2 dibromo. What, children? Ethane. Right? Okay, children. This is the next compound. Right? Now, we have to identify the parent chain. Straight chain has got 3 carbons. Straight right, 3. Straight left, 3. So, in all the directions, maximum what I am getting is what, children? 3. Then, I will consider the straight chain as what, children? Parent chain. If the straight chain is parent chain, something is attached. What is that? Methyl. That is attached to which carbon, children? Right? Second carbon. Sir, from this side, obviously, from this side also it is attached to second carbon. So, the name of the compound is what, children? 2-methyl, right? That is, to the second carbon, methyl is attached to the compound containing how many carbon atoms? 3. That is prop, then it is single bond, ane. So, the name of the compound is 2-methyl propane. Okay, children, this is the next compound. Let us identify the parent chain. Straight chain has got, right, 4 carbon atoms. Straight right has got 4 carbon atoms. Straight left, 1, 2, 3. So, the maximum what I am getting is what, children? 4. So, straight is also 4. Straight right is also 4. You know that which has to be considered as parent chain. You're right. Straight chain is my what, children? Parent chain. Okay? Which is having 4 carbon atoms. To this parent chain something is attached. What is that? Methyl group. Okay? Then I will do the numbering in such a way that the carbon to which methyl group is attached, that carbon has to be assigned with what? Lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4. From left side, this carbon is getting 3. From right side, the same carbon is getting what, children? 2. Out of 2 and 3, which is least? 2 is least. So, this way of numbering is right. This way of numbering is wrong. So, the name of the compound is 2, what, children? Methyl, 4 carbons, bute, between them single bond. So, it is 2-methyl butane. Right, children? This is the next compound, right? So, this compound has got how many carbon atoms? 3, right? So, the root word for this compound will be what, children? Prop, right? 1, 2, 3. That's why it is prop. Between carbon and carbon, we have a single bond, and here we have what, children? Triple bond. So, when we have a triple bond, so we have to add what? Ine. So, the name of the compound is what, children? Propyne. Right, children? Right, children? This is the next compound. What is the root word for this compound? Let me just check the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Then the root word will be what, children? Prop, carbon, carbon, single bond, carbon, carbon, what, children? Double bond. So when we have a double bond, what is the primary suffix we are supposed to add? Yes, you are right. Ene. So the name of the compound is what, children? Propene. Right? Okay, children. This is the next compound. What is the root word for this compound? We have to count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the root word will be what, children? It is but. Between carbon and carbon we have a single bond, and here also we have a single bond, but between these two carbons we have what bond? Triple bond, right? Now we have to number. So when I do the numbering from left side, right? As you know, first come first serve. This triple bond belongs to what, children? Second carbon. When I do the numbering from right side, right? Triple bond belongs to which carbon? Second carbon, right? So both the directions, triple bond belongs to which carbon? Second carbon, okay? Then if triple bond is there, what is the primary suffix that I am supposed to add? Yes, it is "-ine", but we can also write one more name which I'll tell you now. First let me finish with this one. So the name of the compound is 2-butane, or we can also write what, children? Yes, you are right. But dash 2 dash ine. Sir, what these two indicates? Was this 2 indicates the position of what bond? Triple bond. Clear, children? Okay, children. This is the next compound, right? Now, what is the root word for this compound? Right? 3 carbon atoms are there. The root word will be what? Prop. What is the primary suffix? Between carbon, carbon, single, single. So it is what? Ane. Then, do we have a functional group that is secondary suffix? Yes. Alcohol functional group is there, OH. If alcohol functional group is there, then we have to delete E of primary suffix and we have to add what? All. So it is propanol. One more thing. Do we have a prefix here? That is any side chains? No. So the name of the compound is propanol. Right, children? Right, children? This is the next compound. Now, which is the parent chain? Obviously, the straight chain is parent chain containing how many carbon atoms? 5. So the root word will be what? Pent. Do we have a prefix here? That is a side chain? Yes. We have a chloro. Do we have a primary suffix? Obviously, boss. There is no compound in the world without root word and primary suffix. These two definitely should be there. Sir, what about secondary suffix? Yes. OH is the secondary suffix. Then how to name this compound? Obviously, I'll number this carbon as what? 1, because this is the carbon to which what is attached? Functional group is attached. Then this is 2, 3, 4, 5. I will circle this carbon also because this is the carbon to which what is attached? Chloro is attached. So, how to name this compound? Prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. This is the order. So, prefix, yes, it is attached to third carbon. That is 3-chloro, then root word, pent, then primary suffix, ane, then secondary suffix. I will remove E and I will add all. So the name of the compound is 3-chloropentanol. Right, children? Right, children? This is the next compound, right? Which is the parent chain? Obviously, there is only one chain, straight chain, parent chain. Then, do we have a prefix in this one? Side chain? No. Root word and primary suffix is there. So, root word, I have one small question actually. When I am doing a root word, should I consider this carbon or not? Definitely have to consider this carbon. And always, this is the functional group with carbon. So, you have to number this as what? 1. As I have already told, the same thing has to be followed even in case of which one? Aldehyde. So, these two are the functional groups which has got carbon in it. So, I'll number this as what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, including this functional group carbon, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the root word will be what, children? But. Now, it is a carboxylic acid. The secondary suffix, what I am supposed to add is what, children? Oic acid. So, altogether, the root word is but, including this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. primary suffix is ane, that is single bond, and secondary suffix is, I will delete E and I will add oic acid. The name of this compound is what, children? Butanoic acid, right? Right, children? This is the next compound. What is the root word for this compound? Right. I think what is the functional group present in this compound? CHO, that is what? Aldehyde. So, as I told you, this is also a functional group which has got what? Carbon in it. So, I have to number this carbon as what? 1. So, including this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The root word will be what, children? Pent. Single, single, single. Ane. Aldehyde is there. The secondary suffix, what I am supposed to add is what, children? Al. So, the name of the compound will be pent. Single bond is there. Ane. Aldehyde is the functional group. I'll remove E and I will add Al. So, the name of the compound is what, children? Pentanal. I hope, children, you have understood all these compounds, what I have explained till now. I think we'll stop here and we'll continue the remaining things in the next video. Thank you, children. Namaste, everybody.